Hi folks, Terry Brown here. Have you given any thought to starting your own home-based business? If so, on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the least serious and 10 being the most serious, how serious would you say that you are? I've got something I want to share with you. The Change Your Life Club is looking for people with a desire to start their own home-based businesses. We want to introduce you to the new global marketing industry. We are also looking for leaders or those with a desire to become leaders in this new dynamic industry. With the company Genusity 2.0 that we've partnered with, you will receive a free global wholesale superstore and a done-for-you marketing system. Now, we market high quality and what I call universal products like CBD oil, keto fat burning products, immune booster, hand sanitizer, pet health, and more products at affordable prices. Now, currently we have about 19 products in our superstore, and at the end of 12 months we're projected to have anywhere from 150 to 200 additional products. Folks, this is absolutely incredible, and all these products will be at affordable prices. In fact, your customers will be able to purchase products from your online store at wholesale prices, and as a distributor, you will be able to purchase those same products at below wholesale prices. Now, with our business model and our comp plan, you do not have to recruit people to make good money with our company. You will be able to market to small to mid-sized retail stores in your local area and beyond. And I've decided that I want to do both. I want to recruit people, and I also want to do the retail side of it as well. You can make that choice for yourself, Now, I know you've heard this before, but it's absolutely true in this case. We have the best comp plan in the home-based business industry, and you'll be able to earn up to, get this, 55% retail profits daily. That's incredible. Make up to 100% daily fast start bonuses, and make up to 100% monthly power uni-level pay. My goodness, this is exciting. Quick question or thought. Think about having enough time and enough money to do basically anything you want to do. Now, when you partner with our team, you'll have unequaled support. You'll partner with people who are committed to your success as well as their own. You'll learn about our 15 to 30-minute daily step-by-step advertising system, and you'll also have the opportunity to participate in our co-op advertising program if that's what you want to do. All right. And we've got a lot to share, but what I want to do, I want to leave a link. I'm going to leave a link for you so that you can access more information. As a matter of fact, you can take the free tour, get your free store, look around, and then see whether or not this opportunity will resonate with you and you're ready to get started and start building a phenomenal business with us. So also, in closing, you'll also learn about our success motivation conference calls that we'll be having for our team members. So this is, look, we've got everything in place to help you to become successful. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Hope to see you on the inside real soon. Bye-bye.